back to Let's Go Luca. Today we are doing the Build a Boat Challenge. Now, today's rules are always simple. We're doing the same rules as last time, but this time there's punishment. You only get, your stomach has to be showing, and you have to do a belly flop, and your stomach has to be showing. And the rules are simple. The way you lose, your boat doesn't float. But you have 10 minutes to build the boat, and if your boat floats for 10 seconds or something, then that's how much seconds. If you're the person with the less time of the boat floating has to do the belly flop.
And we're with Anthony,
Totally didn't just start building.
Sophie, and me.
Yeah. So let's get started.
Alright, my character is Minecraft Steve.
Which
Show mine.
I don't even need diamond armor. These kids are noobs.
Hey, you ain't gonna talk like that when I win. Alright, so
Sure.
I'm gonna be this guy, like I said. Now, Anthony's gonna be Squirtle.
Wordle.
And so he's gonna be a person from
Ariel.
Alright.
It's from one of my Lego sets.
Yeah, but it's Ariel.
Alright, so let's start this.
You are not nice, Noah.
No, am I not nice?
Alright
showing
guys,
your
let's start the challenge. Hey guys, so now this is the part when we build our boats. Let's start this.
Timer.
Alright, get the timer, Noah. Wait. Yeah, we're doing a 10-minute timer now. So you can see my boat. That's
Yeah, ready?
No more.
alright. 3,
My boat is white and blue.
2, 1, and alright, let's do this.
There, Luca. Keep building it. Come on.
I forgot how much.
I need to get pieces from the bucket.
Alright. I'm just gonna close this. I'm hoping my wheel spins.
I got a shield for Steve.
Oh,
Now my boat looks real, and I have lights that I just put on.
You already said that.
Let me see. Why is there a Batman cape in there?
I feel like I just entirely just messed up.
Psych! That's the wrong number!
That gives me no.
Oh wait, no.
No.
Yes, he did. He's just tricking you.
No, seriously.
Where's the piece?
Oh, Luca.
Don't know where a
Can you,
piece is.
are you going to mention Andrew's thing?
Whoa.
Andrew's YouTube thing?
Alright. So, you guys go subscribe to Order in the Dingus. He's my cousin, and he really needs some subs.
Totally.
So, if you don't sub to him, you will be...
Minecraft Steve will find you in the middle of the night.
And if you don't sub to him, you don't sub to us.
No.
Oh, so wait, tell them how to spell it because they might not.
Just say Siri, Order in the Dingus.
No, that's not gonna work. You have to tell them.
Dang it. Why does he always... Luca, remember the stuffed animals you made named Order in the Dingus?
Oh, yeah, right. He named it after his YouTube channel.
He made it. He actually made it handmade. Done.
I want to... Alright.
Sophie, you can show him the bear you bought at Dodo Bear. No! What? It's upstairs. What's something?
Alright.
How much more time do we have?
We have 7 minutes.
Oh.
What? Already? Okay. So, this is mine.
Alright. Sophie absolutely cheated.
No, I did not. Time's up. I did it. This
Bro.
is mine.
Time's not up because you finished.
It won't fall out because I like
Oh, yeah, by the way,
this.
if your character falls out, it goes down. So,
wait, we never showed
you've
you
heard of the
You
saying...
already told him that, Luca.
Wait, have I?
At the first part.
Boy, did I say... Tell me if you remember me saying this. The captain always goes down with your ship, but
Yes.
the ship always goes down with the captain. So if your character goes in the water, sinks to the bottom, you're gonna be sorry.
Even though you said that in the
Money
first
cow.
one.
No, guess what?
You got so.
Yeah.
Guess what?
Well, I think I already said that. All right, here we go. Yes, I got it.
I'm just eating some grandfathers.
This is a good idea. Sophie's getting cocky.
No, I'm not.
I don't think she. If your boat doesn't float, we'll know why.
Okay, I'm gonna go test it out right now.
No, you can't test it out.
That's basically cheating.
Yeah, you're cheating if you test
Even
it.
if it falls, you're gonna come back and be like, oh no, I'm gonna change this. But if it floats, you're gonna be like, I'll keep it. Oh, also, don't forget to subscribe and
Like
We told him that in the
Can I
first
can I
part.
bring in the big unicorn?
Oh, yeah.
And don't forget to say hi to the big unicorn.
They can't see it.
No big unicorn.
Still can't see
Oops.
Did you break foot?
it. You're in trouble.
Sorry. Sorry, I just spelled something on accident.
Did they say hi to Mr. Alligator?
They didn't get to see Big Unicorn.
They did.
I think. No, they didn't. I was searching.
All right.
Here.
There.
He will put that horn in your body if you don't like and subscribe to Ordering the Dingo.
Yoink. Or subscribe to us.
Sophie.
Wait, you're not supposed to be eating that.
Well, I can't eat the chocolate and the marshmallow. I couldn't tell.
This is scary
What are you
because
building?
I really don't want to lose.
No. Oh, I have to. Do it.
You just want your boat.
What if your
4 minute
captain?
warning.
What
4
if-
minute warning. 4 minute warning.
What if your captain falls, but it falls slower than their captain fell? So that means you're
No, if it hits the water, then your boat is out. But we don't know if you look. If your captain falls into the water and it starts sinking, you're gonna have to do a
But
different.
what if someone else's fell before yours in a quicker time?
So the
That
first.
would mean you're in fifth place.
Oh,
and
wait.
you're safe.
Oh no! I think I just found a new rule.
No, don't tell me 2 people are gonna have to.
So if your character, so the first person to let their character fall, that person's gonna have to do it.
What?
A challenge. Actually, no. If the captain falls, they will have to do a front flip into the pool to get off the hook. But if they don't do that, then they have to do the challenge with the person who loses. So don't think you're gonna be like, oh, I'm gonna win, because if your character falls off, you're doing the challenge. If you don't do a
And
front
if you
flip,
get cocky, you have to do it twice.
no. You can get cocky, but I recommend don't.
Because it might mess you up.
Okay, the only thing we can ask for is cross your fingers.
I don't need to because my boat is perfect.
That's cocky right there.
That is so cocky.
What if their boat sinks first?
Okay,
You know what? I want to be the last one to do it.
But
Biggest to smallest.
it's not if your boat sinks first. If your boat floats,
Okay, biggest to smallest.
the boat that floats for the longest time wins.
Come on. I needed this.
Yeah.
You know,
How much the biggest?
Yes, I found another.
No, it's biggest to smallest.
But that means Sophie goes last.
Guys, I think I'm
2
done.
minute warning.
All right.
Look at this boat. Look how creative this thing is.
I might run time. I might actually beat time.
What if we
no other cameras over there.
What? It can see him.
Sophie, last time.
I have a motor, by the way. Well, it's not
Remember
really.
last time my boat completely
Look at
broke
2
when
minutes
I finished
15
building
seconds.
it.
2 minutes 15 seconds.
When we were with Austin, we
Got-
did the same
Wait,
challenge.
what about design? Design points. Mine might win in that.
No.
Cause like I have like a barricade, like that's around. That's a tree like pot. The tree's in palm
Wait,
tree.
it actually,
And then
that actually
I
is
have-
a Minecraft thing.
I have the kayak thing, and then we have the
It's
motor
an
on the
orc.
back.
It's an
We
orc.
have the 2 lights like
Oh,
the police
so-
boats. We have the seat and we have the steering wheel, as you can see.
And did you show them the motor?
Oh
No,
If
it's
the
only
camera
motor.
wants to focus,
Wait, does it have to move?
there, as you can see. Look at the nice little pot for the tree.
I think Sophie's is gonna float.
And if for some reason our motor fails and we're too far, we have a kayak.
Oh, wait, that's actually smart. But, alright. I'm almost done. Trying to add every single detail that I might need.
But I'm still gonna add. I might not be finished.
Alright.
My toe was
Nice. Oh my gosh. You peel your feet too much.
Alright.
No.
Show me it.
Jeez.
You saw that yesterday.
Yeah, no.
Alright, guys. We're
The
gonna go.
4015 coming in.
off?
No,
Alright.
38 more seconds.
35.
Alright, I'm done.
Alright, time's over. Everyone's ready, right?
Alright, guys. We're gonna go get our swimsuits on.
No.
Yes.
No,
Because
we're gonna
we're
do
gonna
this
have to go.
No, we have to do it first to see who fails.
Wait.
No. Wait. Because we have to get in the water.
Wait,
to
guys,
see
wait. We
all
have to
that.
wait until the camera
Okay,
goes
guys.
off.
We're gonna go.
I'm stuck.
and get our. Oh, we're gonna have to go put our swimsuits on. So see you.
No, we don't know
Yeah,
yet.
guys, we got our swimsuits on. Now I'm gonna start with my boat. See, it has the motor on the back. It has.
We're
the
going biggest to
traction wheel.
smallest.
So look, this this gets really hot, this will pour some water down. And my driver has 2 sides to jump off the boat and get in the water. Now these pants right here are like what put fuels into the engine, so that
Those are totally not random people that he killed's pants.
definitely not. So let's use Noah's boat.
No, it's biggest to smallest. Remember?
Yeah, you're next. I'm done.
No, you never did that.
Oh, interesting. No, Anthony's is bigger than mine.
Oh, wait, biggest boat. All right. Let's do it.
And I have a Squirtle boat. You're cutting that.
Anthony's
You're cutting that, right?
Epic fail number 1. This Anthony already had a fail. He has to rebuild it.
Oh my gosh.
That's already -1 design points. That's -1 design points.
No,
No, he doesn't have
So
he doesn't have a steering wheel or a seat
Well,
or a
there's no design
shield.
shield.
But
There's
you know,
no, there's no
Anthony,
design
you have
shield.
to wear a shirt.
No,
You can't wear. I know.
you're wearing a shirt.
Because I'm a girl.
You have to take it off.
Okay,
if you
and
use
this
the
is-
camera.
For, wait, where's the
And you
camera?
have to do a belly flop.
And this is for pizza.
I do not.
This is, I don't know what it's Spider-Man.
have to.
This is a hook, this is Squirtle.
Belly
This is
flop
the
t-shirts over.
guard to like go. This is connecting pieces.
I'm a girl.
I know.
Great. So Anthony, you're done.
Yeah.
Sophie, how's
All right,
your boat?
Sophie,
Where's
you
your boat?
have to show them your boat.
No, I'm not. All right. So my boat. We have the motor on the back, and then we have a nice tree, and we have the little pot around it. Then we have Steve with our steering wheel and our lights to see if there's any thieves. And these can also signal if we're lost. But if our motor fails, we have this nice kayak paddle, so we could just paddle back to shore. Not to mention, this tree is made for being stranded because it is an apple tree, and it will drop us apples every 5 days.
All right, guys. Sophie's next.
I don't know anything about this.
Too sweet. So this is Sophie's boat.
I don't know anything about
It's a canoe sort of thingy. All right.
I don't have the paddles.
Yeah, whatever. Okay.
Alright, Luca, you
I'll go first.
Let me tell you. It's from Frozen when Elsa, when Elsa,
Yeah, she went off of that
she
design.
gets a bow.
Let me get the.
Oh man.
Guys, don't start it yet.
No, I am, but you're.
Okay, you're last.
All right.
All right.
Alright, so no, I go first. Luca goes
The camera won't flip.
I know. All right. All right, guys. We're gonna flip the camera.
So we're back.
Alright, so you have the paper.
This is our nice pool. It's a nice, kind of cloudy day.
Oh, by the way, now you can stream to those.
What are we doing? What are we doing with the iPad?
All right. You're gonna have to put your password in. What is it?
Oh, for the like
Wait, you
stopwatch.
Yeah. All right.
Oh wait, guys, I got an idea. I'm gonna fill the water, and you have to.
Stopwatch.
And you have to.
All right. So
We're
you're
just
gonna
blocking it right now because there's no water.
No,
All right.
no. Wait, no.
Stopwatch.
Don't start.
We're on
Wait, what's that
stopwatch.
for?
This is a stopwatch to see how long. All right, Luca. Guys, the camera might be. No, not yet. The camera might be really shaky because I'm holding 2 iPads right now. All right, hold up. I'll put this one down. Put it down in 3, in 2, 1, go.
I did it.
We're down. Oh gosh, he is sinking down. That is not so good, if you ask me.
Wait, did you start it?
Yes. Oh,
my
that was
God.
only
10 seconds.
You had 10 seconds safe. And
Wait,
then
no, it's still floating though.
No. You would
Bro, I
have
have
been
to restart.
All right, guys. So he was 10
He
seconds.
turned mine off.
No, I didn't. You were literally on the floor. We all know that you already sang.
Wait, no, look. On the floor is that. Mine is floating.
Come on, dude. You're supposed to be on the floor.
All right,
Fine, we have to redo it, guys. All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
All right. Oh no. It's actually going.
Okay, I'll count this.
8.
The second.
It's been 10 seconds.
Wait, that's
All right, guys, just letting you know it's super cold.
okay. His head touched the water. All right, that's it. You had. I'm gonna subtract 2 seconds. You had 17.55.
17.55.
All right.
Wait, let me write it down.
Anthony, you're up next.
7. No. It's biggest to smallest. You're
No, it goes biggest to smallest. Yours is huge.
No, by age.
No, it's not by age.
Oh, it's not
All right.
Okay, I feel like I'm gonna be. I don't feel good. Ready?
All right. So put it down in 3, 2, 1, go. Started.
Oh, good.
Anthony's is doing good. Oh yeah,
Did you already beat my time?
dude. No way. Wait, guys. Now we need a move test. We're gonna go. Oh my gosh.
18. So how is he gonna get it exactly?
Anthony is crushing.
I really don't want to know. I'll get it. Okay.
I'm gonna have to get it.
Guys, just so you know, if yours stays afloat, it's automatically up to 30 seconds.
I got it.
So,
All right. This thing is
No,
cold.
reset.
All
Alright, I'm up next, boys.
No, let's put 30.99.
30.9. Alright. Guys, I'm scared. Luca, start the stopwatch.
That's got to be the best burn I've ever seen.
No, it didn't. Look. Oh.
Redo it again.
Okay, 3. Get the water out of the motor. We have to turn it on. It's because I didn't have the motor on, dude.
How do you turn the motor on?
Alright, the motor's on. Start it in 3, 2, 1, go. No. I'm so doing the belly flop. I might as well do it.
All right, it's 3.30.
Wait, I stopped it. Luca. Alright, we're back, guys. Sophie's has to sink on impact or else I lose.
Sophie's has to sink
on
the second
it impacts with the water.
if the water. Oh no, you're gonna get nervous.
All right.
If she gets
Put it in, put it in.
3.4 for 3 seconds, you're
Wait,
gonna get it.
ready? Start it in 3, 2, and 1. She sing. She
Oh
sing.
my gosh!
She sing. Oh! Sophie.
Wait, we'll give her one more try. Wait, no, take it off. Take it off. Okay. And you have to drop it in. Wait, didn't we all drop it in the water?
you guys didn't drop it.
Yeah, we did. Right now?
I dropped it. That's why
I
I'm
dropped it.
saying.
I dropped it. So you have to drop it.
No, she cannot do that.
Starting in 3, 2, 1, start. And
Oh, that already hit the floor. That bin hit the floor.
That,
It hit it. No, it hit the floor on impact.
not on the head, not on the head.
no, if it does anywhere near the head,
Yeah.
then it counts.
That happened to Noah's too.
Yeah, and I only got 3 seconds, so that was.
3, 2, 1, and go.
Oh!
Nope, head.
All right, you get 2.61 seconds.
safe.
No, wait.
Yes. Guys, I'm running around the pool because
I'm gonna do anyway.
Sophie's so sad right now. I'm sorry, Sophie.
Oh yeah, by the way, Noah, don't let me. I'm gonna do it anyway.
What? Oh, yeah.
Oh no!
Anthony.
You're not gonna win this time.
Oh my gosh. Luca, I'm gonna belly flop. I'm gonna belly flop. Do it.
Wait, I need to fix it. All right.
I didn't even move. No, look at that. Luca's making so. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. 2, 1.
Boy, no wait. Did it hurt?
Freezing cold.
All right, Sophie.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
Wait, water cam. Wait. I'm the only person on the water cam. All right.
No one jumped near him.
Sophie, you're gonna have to start soon. All right, guys. This is called water cam. We're just trying it out.
That is a -5 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh my god. Yeah, it is a -5 degrees Fahrenheit in here. Dude, you will freeze. You don't even know how cold it is. All right, Sophie, you got ready. Now you're gonna have to do it. Sophie, you can either do a trust fall or a belly flop. Which one do you want? You have to fall on your back like this and into the pool. No.
Wait, I need to go. I need to get used to it.
Oh yeah. No, I'm stuck. Boy, don't get it wet. Wait, I need to. No, it's not. He missed it.
Did it go in?
No. All right, Noah, you try it again. Oh wait, whoever makes the shot gets a free pass for the next challenge.
Three pass for the next round. Stop going.
All right, that doesn't count.
I made it.
No, you have to shoot it.
Oh, okay, I'll do that. Wait, Luca, I don't. Luca, water cam.
I am.
This is gonna be sick.
All right, Sophie. He still missed. All right, Sophie, you have to do the belly flop or trust fall. Yes, you have one more try, Anthony. If nobody makes it, Sophie. On. Oh, Anthony, that's unlucky. Anthony, move me out of the way.
Just one more try.
Wait, push it back. Yeah, push it back. Anthony, push the thing back. Push it back.
He looks steady.
All right, Noah, go. Go. He does it. So, Noah, if you lose the next challenge. All right. If you lose.
I'm gonna make it. This is my last pass.
No, you don't. No. Anything. Boy, can I still do it though? Because I'm not gonna get it ruined. All right.
See my body squirted a little. Wait, I got an idea.
You broke. All right, Sophie. Sophie, I think is ready. She's doing handstands.
You want me to smack it with the basketball so Wait, I got an idea. Wait.
Sophie, get ready.
Swim. No. He's a turtle.
All right, guys. Sophie doing the belly flop. Sophie doing the belly flop.
Wait, guys. Maneuver test for Sophie. One more
Sophie, do the belly flop now.
No, I don't want to do a belly flop.
Then do the trestle.
No.
You have to do that. You have to though. You have to do something.
You know what's harder than that?
What?
Surfing. Water kill.
No, you can't do that.
Water kill. Watch this.
He's going. He's going. He's going. And he's gone.
Water kill. Ow, I just backflipped. Ow, ow. Water kill.
That's what it's gonna feel like. And he's out. All right, Sophie. This is your time. This is the. All right, he's not falling. He's going. He's going, and he failed.
Okay, I'll do it.
No, Sophie.
I did it.
No, you didn't. Stop
I
cheating.
did it. Did you? Did I tell you I can do backflip now?
But
In the pool?
Sophie, I'm gonna pencil you if you don't.
I got a pencil.
Pencil, do it, do it, do it. All right, Sophie. Sophie, get ready.
Next challenge. King of Rock. Because I've been here recording us.
All right, that's our next challenge.
What is our next challenge?
King and Rap. Now do the belly flop in 3, 2.
One.
All right.
Go.
Ding, 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 ding,
I
ding,
did
ding, ding.
it from a higher place, and I didn't even lose. So did I. Back flops hurt more than belly flops, I'll tell you that. So I would do a belly flop if I were you. Back flops hurt a lot. Wait, you have to take your shirt off?
Back flops sting.
Not me. Now.
No, Sophie.
You don't
doesn't
even
have
understand how much back flops.
to. All right, Sophie. Here we go in 3,
Get out.
2, 1. You didn't do anything.
Attack.
Sophie, come on.
I got him. I got him.
All right.
He's safe. Safe squirrel.
So, what? What? I'm not gonna push you in. Just stand right there. So, what are your thoughts about this? No, I'm not pushing you in. Dude, you soaked it. Stand there. Stand right here if you were about to do it. All right, Sophie. Yes, and she's done it. All right, guys. So this is the end of the video. Oh, no, by the way. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.